Welcome back everyone in our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to text simply without having to go on the internet, only using your Windows platform. All you need to do is to open the image using the Windows software, then click on this button, scan a text, then right click, select all the text, then right click once again, then copy the text. Now you can go on the Word to paste the text. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video.